Bit of a new project we're going to use. We want to use this to go up the river, do some overnight camping. But some of the sides, if you can see, they've got holes in. They've been filled with foam, but they're also full of water. And she needs a really good clean and some glass in them. The transom wood is missing. That's rotten. That's all gone, so I'll have to replace that. That's easy. We're taking these rubbers off because they're just extra weight. Don't know where we got them. Started to pull one and that snapped, but that's okay. We can repair that. So the rest we're taking out with an hacksaw. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see from here. I'll try and show you something. So if I pull this forward, if you can look at from there, it starts to dip. So it's like it's worn. Can you see? So the distance, it gets thinner and thinner and thinner. Now whether that's right or not, I do not know, but it looks like it's had a bit of wear, so I want to put a nice new piece of wood across. Take this back to the bear. It's a little bit soft, so it's not soft, I mean it's a little bit. So I want to redo that and glass fire it, and then we're going to give it a nice coat of paint. And then we'll start on the inside. I quite like it, it's quite a nice shape. I'm going to keep the seats. There's a centre seat missing, which I've got, which I'll repair. But the main thing is, and I might even take the wooden slats off, as you can see them, and put a hatch front and back for fishing tackle. And we've got a nice little 3.5 Mercury short shaft we'll put on, and we'll take that up the river and do a bit of a repair job. In the meantime, we're going to get these rubbers off because they weigh quite a bit. Does anybody know why the rubbers are on there? I think it was maybe a bit of a higher rowboat by the look of it. I bought it as a tender for down the sea, but I don't know, I've got to get it done up first. Took the other one off, and that needs, it looks like it's cracked all the way through there. I'm going to need a bit of a repair on that one. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, nice project. Take him off. Not held on with much, I must admit. It's just a screw and axle that has been repaired. Pretty easy repairs, bit of a grind. I got one of these sanding discs on a grinder. And by God, they make very, very easy work of this. That will have to come out. It looks like they've got 2 pieces of metal underneath. And a piece of wood, yeah. I've got a piece of wood, I can show you that. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Underneath, so we'll have a look at that. That'll come out and I'll reinforce that and straighten it on the back as well. Okay, so that's where we're at the moment. Just going to start, get all this rubber off, and that weighs quite a bit. That does weigh That's just come out of that. That's just out of that hole. Look at it. There's going to be tons of it, isn't there? That must be, yeah. So we've got to get this off, that off. Look at it pouring out. Right, it's probably as well down that end as well, isn't it? So, right, okay, let's get the rest of the rail off, Andrew. Yeah. Got the hacksaw. I know it'll just rip the thing out. All we're doing is hacksawing each one. A bit awkward, I know. Oh, that was easy enough. And then we've got this one to do, and that's it really. We're not too sure. Definitely think it's just a buffer rail, isn't it, for people who I think it was a hire boat or something. keep ripping off, see? Oh, there we go. That saves a bit of weight. Okay.